Merry Christmas, boys. Today we're gonna be making a pretty fun type beat. For those of you that don't know, he also produced a bunch of songs for Che. That's why their music sounds pretty similar. I'm gonna play you guys a snippet of one of my favorite songs by Pretty Fun so you guys catch the vibes. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Pretty Fun type beat from scratch. Pretty fun. I look like that chick from Fifth Element, you know, the crazy blue one, like the blue alien with like the huge forehead. This is like the hat gives me the extra 2 inches on my forehead. It looks pretty crazy. We're rocking it. All right, so for these Pretty Fun / Che type beats, you want your BPMs to be around 140 to about 160. That being said, we're gonna do something around 150, get it kind of hype. Let's do 154 for our BPM. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into our 20K kit, which is gonna be out when we hit 20K. It's gonna be completely free, so make sure to hit that sub and it's yours. Let's go to the one shots and grab this plug right here. Now let's get started on our chords here. So for our scale, we're just in C minor. I'm gonna stick with that for now. So to get started, we're gonna count 8 notes up from C. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we get rid of these. And now let's just build a minor 7 chord. So just skip 3 notes. So this is 1, 2, 3, and now skip 4 notes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and now skip 3 more notes. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of these, and now you have a minor 7 chord. And we're just gonna pitch these down. So hit Control 8 to select everything, Control down arrow to pitch it down. And let's just copy this chord, hold Shift and drag it up, and let's make a major 7 right here. And let's take this and go like 5 down or something like that. Let's just take this chord, hold Shift, drag it over. And let's just kind of arpeggiate it a little bit, so just offset some of these notes. Now that we got our first chords down, let's just duplicate this sound here and let's get a different sound. Do some kind of weird and glitchy. Now let's just copy our chords here, paste them in here, and then let's just extend them like this. Let's just change up the ARP, you know what I mean? Kind of speed it up. You know what I mean? Not me. Just make it kind of like a faster ARP. So maybe we'll move this over. Let's take this Control B. Now let's go into Hive and get kind of like a synth and do like some stab chords. I want like a sharp synth. Yeah, this one's cool. Yeah, we're just gonna follow our chords here. Let's just shorten these, hit Shift D. Let's just pitch everything up a little bit. So just click right here and then go to this little drop down, transpose selected. Let's pitch it up 3. It just sounds a little bit low. So we pitched it up 3. So we're in D sharp now. So I'm going to take these notes that we just added, hit Control X, and we're going to copy them into a different sound. Let's just paste them, and then let's change the sound. Let's put them into some sort of lead. Now let's get another lead, but we're going to do like longer notes with it. Just change the sound. Yeah, I think we're ready for the drums. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these melodies here. I'm just gonna hold Shift Control just to select all these mixer tracks. Go over here, route them to this track only, and basically just low cut it. This way I don't have to like low cut every single one. I could just do it right here and I'll low cut all of them at once. And let me toss an OTT on it, kind of like crush it a little bit, if that makes sense. And then let me add a sausage fattener too, just make it extra crispy. Okay, let's get the drums. We need like a really fat 808. Let's just follow our root notes here. So A sharp, B, F sharp. And we're gonna tweak out the pattern right here a little bit. Edit this lead a little bit. I was gonna change something with this ARP. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a couple notes. I'm rocking with this more. Let's just hit Control B, and then we're just gonna add this note right here. Yeah, let's add a little counter snare. Add an open hat. Let me like tweak out this 808 a little bit. Let's add another lead, but make it glide, and let's make it super catchy and super repetitive. Let me go to my bank that I'm working on. Where is it? Where that? Oh, it's right here. It should be out now. I'm going to be updating this version soon. If you guys want to get it for 30% off, use code Christmas. And there's also a 30% off sale on all our kits. I also just dropped my loop archive, which has 200 loops and about 200 midis. You guys can get that for 30% off right now. So just use code Christmas. And yeah, thank you guys. Let's get right back into it. Let's get a lead. Let's just like tweak it out all the way. Yeah, man. Come on. Try to tweak it out even more. Change the sound. Add a kick. I doesn't really be using kicks, but jam it up. want to add like a gate to this lead. So let's go over here to our mixer. Let's go to gross beat and let's just do maybe like half beat gate. Let's just put the wet down a little bit. Okay, bet. Let's arrange this. Go over here to pattern, right click, hit split by channel. Let's get all our melodies in here. I think I'm gonna hit a freestyle on this. I'm feeling it. I think I can hit something crazy. Let's do a little arrangement. And like the arrangement for these beats is super simple. You pretty much just like run the whole thing through the whole way. But we're gonna do it a little bit different. We'll definitely do some sort of sections and shit. I'm gonna add sausage fat in there, just make it more crisp. And then also put a limiter on it so I can really like crush it. Let's put the ceiling down. I need to add like another lead right here for this chorus. It just needs a little more energy right here. Let's go to Hive. We need something crazy, man. We need something crazy, like high energy. Maybe like an art. We're gonna put this auto all the way up though. You gotta get your inner zestiness out for this type.
Pop it on a zen, give me up, yeah. Synth it's a wash, I'm a up, yeah. Diamond on my watch it clean, not off lean. She said I'm a fiend, I got 100 on my beam. She said pretty, you so fun, I got hundreds on my dream. Stepping in some Louis, I got garments on my scene. Got my pockets full, coming down on me. I be stepping in my sleep, ain't no dream. I got Molly powder in my pocket jean. Pop it on a zen, give me up, yeah. Synth it's a wash, I'm a up, yeah. Diamond on my watch it clean, not off lean. She said pretty, you so fun, I got hundreds on my dream. Stepping in some Louis, I got garments on my scene. I be stepping in my sleep, ain't no. I got Molly in my pocket jean. Talking in my dream, pop my bean, sit on me.
Alright boys, we're gonna call it that. That was pretty fun. Got my inner zesty out. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe. We're gonna be dropping a free kit once we hit 20k, so lock into that. Thank you guys for all the support you guys showed this year. Everybody who's copped the kit, everybody who's like liked the video, commented, joined our Discord, or even just watched the video, like thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. Doing YouTube this past year has really changed my life, and I really do appreciate you guys' support. Hope you guys have happy holidays, a Merry Christmas. You guys get all the gifts you guys wanted. Even if not, you know what I mean? Your parents got you some socks. Appreciate it, you know, be grateful. Anyway, I'm grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys in the next year. All the best. Peace.